How to fix Gas app won't let me activate my card. Hi everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Gas app won't let me activate my card. Let's get started. Open Gas app. Tap Profile at top right corner. Tap Support. Now select something else. Tap on Gas Card. Scroll all the way to the bottom and tap Contact Support. On the next screen, select Not About a Transaction. Tap Chat to Customer or Contact Customer Support. Now briefly explain the issue to Cash App representative. Hopefully they will fix the issue and activate your Cash App card. So that is how we can easily fix Cash App won't let me activate my card. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.